Hello student, in this video we talk about how to create text animation or text keyframing in Filmora 12. So open your Filmora, right, and drag and drop your picture or any video of your right, and then click on the titles and then click on the simple titles, right. So drag and drop your title here. So first I edit it, right, I write my name and then take a color, then I resize it. So I want to move from here to this top left corner, right. So for this purpose select my text, right, and from here click on the keyframing, the transform, more text option, the transform, right, and from here you select the basic and the title, not to select the video, just select the titles and then select the basic and then select the transform and then click on this keyframe, right. So click on it. So it is my the first keyframe, and from here I select my text, right, and now I move it, right, and then I move the text here where I want to animate it. So I move here and the animation automatically applied. So I also apply all the animation. Now I restart it and play it. So I have successfully created my text animation. I have also moved this animation from here. So first select this animation and from here I move it. So the distance may be decrease or may be increase, right. So I move here, so the motion will be slow because the distance is greater. So I again play it. Now if I want to move it, to here and then here, so I increase this distance, right, and then select my text, right, and from here first I have distance and then move here, the animation will be selected. Now you click on all the animations and now I am click on move here, right, and then select this area, and I also want to change the color. Now I replay it, right. So first it move here, now it move here, and now it move here. So it is our simple video how to create the keyframing of text or text animation in Filmora 12.